everyone, want to show you this dry. Well, it's sort of dry. I did it later yesterday, so it's a bit wet in spots. But it's mainly dry, and I really love the colors. I love that phthalo green. Um, and then that nice kind of neonish green just shows up in hints, which is really pretty. I'm glad it didn't take over. Today I'm going to do an airbrush Dutch pour using Prussian blue, yellow, and red. So let me put my gloves on. And this is a 10 by 10 inch canvas that has been previously poured on and then painted white back over it. Just cover the canvas. This is my white interior house paint mixed with Floetrol and water. So my dog got spayed today. I haven't picked her up yet. But she doesn't have to wear a cone. They don't do that anymore. They do internal stitches, so I'm so happy. Because I thought for sure she would be in a cone and miserable, and so I'm happy about that. Get all the excess off. Let me just peek to make sure that I'm still in frame. And I am. I've got so many pieces to resin right now, and I just can't bother. Actually, I'm going to torch these bubbles out first. Resin takes so much prep work with all the taping of the back and all of that. But sometimes I just don't want to do it. It's just too much work. And all the pieces, of course, have silicone on them, which means I need to clean a whole bunch of paintings, which isn't fun either. All right. Got my I love all the white. I love how it's looking. Looks so pretty. Touch this up a little bit. It looks good, and I knew if I mixed those colors I'd get some orange and some green, which I did, which makes me happy. Got quite a bit of green, which I wanted. I thought about using phthalo green, since I just used it on my last video. It kind of got me craving green. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch y'all next time. Bye.